In this lesson, we'll cover how to solve division problems using partial quotients. Partial quotients, all it is when we take multiples of the divisor and subtract them from the dividend until we can't subtract anymore. One easy way to get multiples of the divisor is to multiply the divisors by 10, by 5, by 2, or by 1. The next step is to draw a big line down the division bar. And now we ask ourselves, well, 3 times 10, is that going to give me a multiple that I can take away from 86 that's easy to work with? Absolutely. So I do times 10 here. I draw a line and I subtract 30 away from 86. That's going to give me 56. Now, I can take away another 30 away from 56, so I go ahead and I just do times 10 here. I draw my line and I subtract 30. That's going to give me 26. So I go ahead, I can't multiply by 10 anymore, so I cross it off. Now I multiply the 3 times the 5, because that'll give me a multiple that I can take away from 26, which is 15. I subtract that and I end up with 11. I can't multiply by 5 anymore, so I cross it off. And now I multiply the 3 times the 2, and I get my multiple, which is 6. And I subtract that, and I end up with 5. I can't multiply by 2 anymore because 6 is greater than 5. So I multiply the 3 by the 1, and that gives me 3. I subtract that, and I end up with 2. I can't multiply by anything anymore because 3 is already greater than 2, so 2 becomes my remainder. Now to get my quotient, all I have to do, boys and girls, is add up all of the numbers that are multiplied by. So 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1. That will equal, let's see, 10 and 10 is 20, 20 and 5 is 25, 25 and 2 is 27, 27 and 1 is 28. So my quotient is 28. So the answer to 86 divided by 3 is equal to 28 remainder 2.